Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for a love bite for you. A small energy check-in to check how you guys are doing. Why is the Justice card here? This card just popped out. Anything legal going on, Leo? Or are you trying to find balance in something? I'll just keep this card aside since it wanted to show face. So let's continue. Let's start with a small prayer. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Leo, as always, I'm going to take an angel blessing card to top the reading, and then we'll move on to your tarot. My angels, a blessing or an advice card for my Leo gang, please. My beautiful lionesses and my lions. Okay, so this one, thank you. Let's put the rest back, Leo. So the card I have for your blessings is, oh my God. First we got the Justice card here, Leo, and now we have wise decisions. That's exactly what this is, right? Somebody balancing out the scales and making some decisions, and that's exactly what you get from your angels as well. Wise decisions. So either you are making some or are being made for you. I have no clue why these two cards are here. Leo, we will try and figure them out in the reading, right? So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for all your support. And I am very blessed to have you here today. Thank you. If you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. So Leo, let's see, I'm going to do a 9 card spread to see what you guys are going through, and we'll take another 3 as advice. So if any of you need a private reading, Leo, my email is in the description box below. You can email me for details. All right, let's start with your reading, Leo. The first card I have for you here, Leo, is the Hermit in reverse. 4 of Wands in reverse and the Ace of Swords. I think enough time has gone by of thinking, planning. I also have the Magician here, 2 of Pentacles and the Devil in reverse. So I think you're coming back to your power, it seems. You've spent a lot of time in hermit mode. Maybe something went wrong with a love situation, a marriage situation, or something that you thought was going to last you forever. Yes, exactly as I said. This is the happily ever after, 10 of Pentacles. We'll live and die together. We'll build. We'll have babies and grandchildren, grandparents, dogs, house, everything. But this is in reverse, right? So I think after a lot of thought, after maybe somebody also thinks that, like delaying it has actually been quite a foolish move. But now I think somebody here is trying to come out of the situation and talking about it. I think there are secrets being revealed here. Nothing is hidden anymore. There is a lot of clarity as to what you want to do, where you want to go. You are now coming to that realization that things are beyond repair, I think. There's a lot of clarity in that. Yes, things have really come to an ending, not feeling there's any more fertility and growth. There is absolutely no balance left in this equation, and maybe no working together either, right? So now things are becoming clear, but I do see somebody here becoming like now the Magician, coming back to their power. That's what I see. I have the 8 of Pentacles here as well, coming back to claim your power, Leo, after something has not worked out, right? That is again the Commitment card in reverse. So yes, maybe for a while I think things were like stagnant. Things were not moving. There was a lot of thought going on about it, lot of back and forth, lot of introspection. Should I not? How is it going to happen? But now I see Leo having total clarity on your vision now. You know now that it's time to get out there. It's time to make some bold moves in your life and come back to life. I mean, if whatever this thing was which didn't work, then I think you are on the verge of releasing this devil now. What's this Magician spirit? What is... you're no longer fighting for this connection. Yeah, now you've realized that it's really no point my time or my effort to kind of try and make this work. Even though you know that this is not the happiest situation here, Leo, you have been, I think you've been using your intuition. You've been thinking, you have been going back and forth. There's been so much of conflict. Now that you're realizing this is too conflicting. There's too much fighting. There's too much bickering. Everything that has happened in this relationship, if you've tried to make an effort or tried to make it work, each time it's only ended up in maybe a fight and it's backfired on you. So I think now this is the time where you are now finally letting go. Coming back, yeah, this coming back is not coming back, I think, to your relationship which is not working. I see this coming back as you coming back to life, coming back to your own authentic self after realizing that things are never going to work. So, Spirit, what is this Eight of Cups? Oh, wow. There is a feminine energy here, very, very upset and angry. I have her twice here now. The Queen of Wands in reverse with the Queen of Wands. So this could be you, Leo, saying, hey, I don't want to take any forward movement now. There is no point of trying to make up or re-begin a love story here or apologize or anything like that, because whenever one tries to make it work, it just leads to the Nine of Cups in reverse, which is lack of wish fulfillment. And this is between two people, because there are two people on this card feeling very happy and being chuffed that we have everything under control, but this is reversed, right? So what is Leo getting rid of? The devil. Getting rid of your unhappiness. This situation has kept you very restless, Leo. As I was talking about the Nine of Cups here, it's flipped out again here, and both were in reverse, to be honest. I placed it wrong. But both of them are in reverse. So that means being in this restless energy has not been making you happy. And now you are now at that point of your life now where you are not expecting, you are not giving any kind of an apology. You are unapologetically, I think, moving forward now, claiming back your own power. You are no longer confused here. You don't want to take action towards this old partnership. In fact, from what I see, there's barely any communication left either, right? No communication. This is stagnated now, Leo. This is stagnated. It's over. And I think it's time now to make concrete decisions. Just be a bit careful if you have to sign something, Leo. Just read the documents carefully in case there's any signing required. But whatever is happening, I have the Hermit in reverse again. This is the second time it's come out. It is going to get you out of this very stuck place. Yes, the minute I said stuck place, here you are, the Hanged Man, right? So whatever stuck place you have been in, you are going to now be, you are almost out actually. I don't see any kind of movement here. I just see a lot of clarity. I see you being the magician of your own life, and I do see you coming back to your position of being that strong lion or lioness, right? You are totally cutting off communication from the past and no longer in two minds. Let's see what the universe has for you. Yes, Ten of Pentacles again in reverse, King of Cups, and the Three of Wands. So Three of Pentacles again is a card of something not having worked out in a marriage or a family situation, Leo. Why is this here, Spirit? Why is this here again? Yes, because I think this fight it's time, Spirit is saying. It's time to put down your swords now. There's really no point in fighting or competing or maybe making the other person feel smaller, or them making you feel like you've lost or you've lost, is it's time to now put down your swords. It's over. It's no point going, irritating yourself or anybody else for that matter by continuing these foolish fights, I think, which were one man up ship that you guys maybe have been trying or they've been trying with you. So it's time, Spirit says, this is now ended, Leo. It's time now to stop all these fights. This is advice from the universe. Why is the King of Cups here, Spirit? Why is the King of Cups here? Spirit is also saying that there is more to come, Leo, in terms of happiness for you. This is your card, isn't it? Right? There is a lot to come for you once you're over all this chapter of your life. Whatever toxicity that you've been involved in, or this relationship has turned toxic maybe, it's time now to kind of let that go and retain the good side of it. Now the King of Cups is here, which is a person who still has a lot of love in their heart, right? Let's take one more card. Yes, even though this relationship has not worked out, Leo, even though this relationship has turned toxic, that has turned not happy, you feel you lost here, but keep that love alive in your heart, Leo, because you have a future which is going to be very abundant. There's a lot of happiness coming after this chapter finishes. Yes, your ships are coming in, Leo. That's for sure. Your ships are coming in once you turn your back completely to the last chapter of your life. There are 3 beautiful ships coming in, full of treasures for you. So it's time now, I think, Leo, even energetically, if you have any, still toxic tie or cord which is still attached to you from this last relationship, Spirit is saying, put down your swords, put down any negative thoughts, actions, deeds, or verbal communication which can keep you tied to your past. This chapter of your life is already over, right? It's already over. This was toxic. It was maybe a karmic relationship which came to teach you a lesson. So once you let that go, once you turn your back, the sun is going to start shining again for you, Leo. Okay, it's time now to get justice, get things back into order, Leo, make some wise decisions, and move on to your own happiness, I think. 3 of Wands, Spirit. What's this 3 of Wands? What are the beautiful treasures coming for my Leo now? You're going to get what you want, Leo. You are going to get your 10 of Cups in the upright. There is happiness coming towards you. And here you are. You're going to, if you're a masculine, yes, you have somebody very nurturing, caring, loving, abundant coming towards you, Leo. And if you're the feminine, oh my God, and this flipped out as well. There will be justice for you, Leo. You will get your 10 of Cups in the coming future after this justice, after this last chapter is over. Okay, and you will be abundant, you will have security, you will have everything that you desire. Okay, it's just let this go now. Just make wise decisions. Let this past toxicity go. Let this, if this is over, let it be over. Instead of feeling that you lost or you still have to fight anyone, just put your swords down. It's over. Okay, very soon I see your ships coming in, Leo, so don't worry about it. Okay, that's all I have for you, Leo. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.